going to show you today a really cool demonstration dealing with density, and I have a few different materials here, but before we get into that, just to remember that a substance that has a higher density is going to sink, and a substance that has a lower density is going to float. And these are the substances that we're going to test out today. I have honey, I have water, and actually I just added some food coloring just to make it a little bit more interesting. I have regular vegetable oil, and I have something called corn syrup, and then I have some dish liquid. Oh my gosh, I wonder who that could be. Just a second.
I hear we're doing a density demonstration.
Yes, we are. Oh my gosh.
Hi, everybody.
It's Dr. Einstein.
Hello. Oh my gosh, density is one of my favorite things. So I figured I'd help Mrs. Tobias out today by showing you some density demonstrations. So, what shall we start with, Miss Tobias?
Let's start with the vegetable oil.
Let's do it. So here's the vegetable oil. Okay. So what do we predict? Is vegetable oil going to be the least dense, most dense, or somewhere in between? I guess we'll find out. Well, what's next, Miss Tobias?
Oh, let's do. How about the honey?
Good call. Ooh, I like this one. Let's see. Oh. Old man
You're
can't squeeze very well anymore.
really strong, Dr. Einstein.
Oh, getting old. Whew. So let's see what happened. Oh, can you see that, Miss Tobias?
I can.
What happened to the honey?
Ooh, it is going to the bottom. It's sinking to the bottom.
What does that mean?
Oh my gosh, I think that is it's more dense than the vegetable oil.
I think you're right. Okay, so far, honey is the most dense. What should we try next?
Ooh, let's go with, how about the...
Water?
Sure.
Okay.
Sorry, I just got distracted a little bit.
Why does this water look like this? Oh, you probably added food coloring,
We
right?
did, we did.
Okay. Ready? Ooh, now that's interesting.
And actually, maybe, Dr. Einstein, let's actually add them and see what happens as we go.
Okay.
Ooh, that looks pretty.
You want to zoom in?
Yes.
Okay. Fascinating. What do we see happen?
Oh my gosh, I can see layers.
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 So, most dense, we must say it's still honey, right? Because it's at the bottom. But what happened when we poured the water in? The vegetable oil then went to the top. So that means honey is the most dense, then water, and then vegetable oil. So then, what should we try next? I think we only have corn syrup
And the dish soap.
and dish soap. I say let's try the dish soap. Ooh, what's happened here? Something strange is happening. We might need to let it settle for a
I
moment.
think so, yes.
So it looks like the vegetable oil will still be the least dense, but it looks as though the dish soap might be trying to go beneath the water.
Yes.
What do you think?
It's working hard.
So let's see.
Let's give it a few minutes to settle.
Yes,
and
we'll
see
come
if
back in a moment.
If we can make.
Okay, everybody, so we let it settle, and what we found is you should see 4 distinct layers. We have honey. This is the dish soap, water, and at the top, vegetable oil. So that means this honey must be the most dense. And then the dish soap, then the water, and then the vegetable oil.
Fascinating. Fascinating.
It is fascinating. We have one more thing to try.
Ooh, I wonder where it's,
What do we predict?
what layer?
This is corn syrup. Light. Because we're watching the figure. And, oh, it's not open yet.
Was
One
that
second.
figure?
1 second.
Oh, oops.
Oh, okay, got it. Okay. Old man. Whew. Okay. So this is a very thick substance. I don't know, Mr. Tobias. Do you think this will be more dense than honey?
Honey?
Or do you think honey will be more dense?
I think honey will be more dense.
We shall find out, shall we?
We shall.
Is that enough?
How about a little bit more? Ooh.
What happened?
Oh my gosh.
Can you see? Can you see? Wow! So we now have 5 layers.
Do you think you can hold it up to the light?
Yes, absolutely.
Ugh.
Wow. Wow.
Look at that.
So we have honey at the bottom. We have a layer of corn syrup. A very thin layer of dish soap. I should have added more. A layer of water. And on top, a layer of vegetable oil. So, with that, we now know which one is the most dense, the second most dense, the third, the fourth, and last but not least, the vegetable oil.
Hey, Mr. Tobias, wait, did you already do the density lab?
Oh my gosh, Miss Williams, you're never going to believe who is here.
Who?
Dr. Einstein.
What?
He totally helped us out with our demonstration today. We learned so much.
And I missed it?
You missed it. It was fabulous. We learned about density and different substances and how they can layer up based on if they're more or less dense. It was fabulous.
I'm so jealous.
You should be.
Well, maybe we can still catch him.
We might. Let's run out and see if we
Okay,
can see him.
okay.
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Mr. Einstein? Mr. Einstein?
Where is he? Where is he? I thought we would catch him.
I'm off to my next lab. I'll see you next time.